day everyone. Today, I'd like to talk about failure and its crucial role in success. We often view failure as the opposite of success, as something we should avoid at all costs. But in reality, failure is a natural part of any success story. Every great inventor, leader, and thinker we admire has faced failure. What set them apart is not they never failed, but they use failure as a stepping stone. Consider Thomas Edison as example. He invented the light bulb. After hundreds of failed efforts, he famously said, "I have not failed." When questioned about his repeated failure, "I just discovered 10,000 methods that will not work." This kind of thinking, which view failure as a teaching moment rather than a setback, is crucial for resilience and personal development. We can learn important lessons from failures. It helps us identify better solutions by pointing out what does not work. It enhances our character as well. Overcoming obstacles make us more patient, tenacious, and modest. When we do succeed, it enables us to more fully appreciate our accomplishment. As long as we keep going, each setback puts us one step closer to success. The secret is to never give up, adapt, and learn from our failure. Every setback is a only disguised opportunity. Let us accept failure as a valuable teaching tool on our path to success rather than something to be feared. Recall that perceiving thought failure was define success, not avoiding it. Thank you.